Ticketing office, Mr. Waka, hi there, my brother. Apparently a Jeep has crashed over the medium barrier and landed on it. It is completely totaled.
Serious?
Serious, man.
Whose is it?
I don't know, but the number plate says Tuku. Ladies and gentlemen, the finalists, I like that. The finalists and winners for tonight's awards stand in the company of giants. To remind us of the pure quality of this company, here is a medley of gold disc sellers and previous winners of the New Zealand Music Awards.
When you're a friend of mine, the things that somehow have changed. But don't you worry, cause it ain't nothing strange. Cause yesterday was just the beginning of my life. Ooh. You know I'm always losing, doing everything wrong. Just wait and see, there'll be a change from now on. Cause yesterday was just the beginning of my life. Was just the beginning of my life.
I have loved me a man like my mama did. I have loved me a man, tall and tender, his hands like my daddy's were, and a mind that understands. And in the arms that held me when I was crying, the lips that kissed away the tears. They're a part of the man that my mama loved, and I have loved me a man.
In my younger days, I used to dig that rock and roll. It gave me such a high, it really supercharged my soul. The good days and bad, good morning, Mr. Rock and Roll. The beat was kinda groovy with a little boogie woogie Jerry Lee. Oh, roll over Beethoven and leave the rock and rollin' to me. When I was 16, I used to dig that rhythm and jive. Oh, the good days and bad, good morning, 1955. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Sit down, yeah. This can't be paradise, but if you make it quite nice, ooh, baby, we could be sweet lovers in the night, yeah. If you think of mine, need someone new tonight. Oh, baby, what if you were my lover? I could spend my lifetime holding on to you, my lover. I could spend forever. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Spend my every night, oh, holding on to you, my love, till the end of time. When you call me, baby, it's such a sweet heart. I need your sweet
Still to come, Annie Cromer and Chris Isaac. Plus, Album of the Year, as the Clear Music and Entertainment Awards continue.